Welcome into the recap of the White Sox 10-3 loss, a pounding at the hand of the Boston Red Sox Friday evening at Fenway Park in Boston, Massachusetts. I'm David Kaplan. It's brought to you by our great partners at Wintrust. They are the exclusive home of White Sox checking. Click the QR code on your screen or go to wintrust.com/White Sox to get all the details how you get your very own White Sox checking account. And it's super cool. White Sox debit card. Another day, another loss. Martin Perez, only 3 innings. He's probably the White Sox top starter, certainly the most experienced in the rotation. He leaves with a forearm issue. Who knows where that could head? Offensively, Edgar Carroll gets his first career hit in the 9th inning. Andrew Benintendi, a solo home run, his 500th career RBI. But Trevor Story, magnificent tonight. 2 home runs for the Boston Red Sox. They blow up a game that was reasonably close, 3-0 through the early portion of the game, and then they just blew the White Sox out of the water. Folks, right now, the way things look, they may break that all-time loss record. It's truly absolute train wreck what's going on the South Side. Our player of the game brought to you by abt.com. Go to the store. Promo code's right there on your screen. REKAP25. I'll save you $25 on any purchase, 150 or more. Go in there, get yourself some headphones. Maybe they even sell some type of earplugs so you don't have to listen to some of the nonsense that's coming out of White Sox talk. It's absolutely brutal. It's pathetic. It is what it is right now. 4-15. Worse than a year ago at the very same stage. White Sox get pounded 10-3. It's a train wreck. Take that.